Do you know that you can get an estimate of your personal insurance plan or savings program with Film Life without the help of a financial advisor? Watch till the end. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click the notification bell so you'll get updated with my next videos for you. This is Argel Tiburcio, and I'm a book author, licensed financial advisor, and financial literacy advocate. So for this video, I'll walk you through this online tool that you can use to have an estimate of how much you need to set aside for your goals and how much return are you expecting to have with that savings in mind. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the website that you can use so you can have an estimate about the savings and investments that you're expecting to have based on your budget, based on how long you want to save on that kind of budget, and of course based on your financial goals. So let's have a look at this page. So there are 4 fields that you can play around with. The first one is of course your financial goal. So what are you saving up for? So let's say I'm saving up for my retirement. And for example, you're 32 years old right now and you want to save up for, let's say, 10 years. And at the last field is you have to choose your preferred annual savings premium. How much you want to save up for your retirement goal for the next 10 years in this case. So let's say I'll save up 100,000 per year for the next 10 years. So now that we've filled up all the forms, all the fields, we can just simply click calculate and we will see on the right side what amount we can expect based on certain assumptions. So these assumptions I'll be putting in the description of this video. So there are certain assumptions like the return, what kind of fund, and what kind of investor you are. But for this purpose, so that this video will be quick, what it means is for the premium of 100,000 per year, there is an estimate insurance coverage. Okay? So in 10 years, your savings will be around 1.2 million after 10 years of saving 100,000. Then your insurance coverage, an estimate or a rough estimate, is around 1.6 million. Now, if you stop paying at the 10th year and you keep your money until the 20th year, it will grow to around 2.8 million. And your insurance coverage is still 1.6, just an estimate. And if you retire at age 65 with just saving up 100,000 per year for 10 years, it will grow to around 7.4 million. Of course, for the detailed explanation, the detailed proposal that's very specific for you, you can contact me because I'm a licensed Film Life financial advisor. But if you want to just take a look at the estimate and want to play around with the values, you can just simply go to this tool. I will be posting also the link to this tool so that you can use it on your own. So let's try another goal. What if you want to save for a college fund for your kids? So typically, the kids today will enter college at age 18. So let's say you have your first child while you're age 30 and you want to save again for, let's say, 5 years only because you have other goals that you want to save up for. And since you want a shorter payment period, we expect that you have a higher annual budget for it to accumulate. So with 200,000, when we click calculate, these are the values. So for 200,000, after 10 years of only saving up for 5 years, you will have 1.4 projected fund value or the savings amount and an insurance coverage of 3 million. After 20 years, So maybe it's on the 18th year. Let's assume on the 18th year, it's roughly or almost 3 million at that point. And if, for example, your children or your child becomes a scholar during college or university, then you can convert this as part of your other goals. Like for example, for your retirement fund. So by age 65, if you didn't use this for your kids' education fund, you have 12.3 million almost at age 65 when you retire. So I invite you to play around with this online tool so that you can have an idea about how much you need to save for a particular goal and how I can help you as well. If you have the results, you can take a screenshot of the results, send it to me over to my Facebook page, facebook.com/Argel Tiburcio. If you want a specific quote or a specific plan savings program from Film Life. So I can help you with that. And again, this is Argel Tiburcio, a book author, licensed financial advisor, and financial literacy advocate. If you ever see yourself doing what I'm doing, I am hiring part-time and full-time financial advisors on my team. You can also message me or just go ahead and apply directly to the link argeltiburcio.com/join if you're interested. So see you again on my next videos. Bye!